As users carry out actions on your LMS such as accessing reports, leaving comments on forums, taking courses, completing activities, and reaching their goals, a record of these actions will be stored in your LMS. In TotaLearn 11, site administrators are able to set up export and purge types to copy and remove data from the system. But what do we mean when we talk about exporting and purging data? When we say data is being exported from the system, we mean that a copy of the data is taken from the system. Site administrators can create export types so that certain data created by specific types of users and their actions, such as taking a quiz, can be copied from the system. Export types can also be set to allow users to request a copy of their own data. Purging data means that selected data will be completely removed from the system. Site administrators can set up purge types so that any user data that is not required can be completely removed from the system. When a user first accesses your site, they can be prompted to provide consent to a site policy. Consenting to the site policy can be set to mandatory or optional, depending on your needs. In TotaLearn 11, site administrators can now easily add, edit, review, and delete multiple versions of a site policy. Multiple consent statements can also be added to the site to further define exactly what a user is consenting to when accepting a site policy. If you're working with an international audience, then you may need to add translated versions of your site policy. In TotaLearn 11, multiple translations of a site policy can be created to provide users with the option to read the site policy in their native language. Site administrators will also have access to reports on exported and purged data, as well as having an overview as to which users have consented and which have not consented to the site policy. Managing user data is becoming increasingly important, and so it's good to know that if you're using TotaLearn, your users' data is in safe hands.